Do you want to see an aggressive and hard-to-resist gambit? The ICBM gambit is just for you. First, you get into the ready opening, which can be done by knight f3. Then, the opponent will most likely move pawn to d5 to gain control of the center. At this point, you will sack the e-pawn by moving it to e4. Your opponent will capture, falling deeper into your trap. Now you move your knight out of the way to g5. Your opponent will try to protect the pawn and develop their knight to f6. At this point, they will almost be fully trapped. You trade pawns by moving your pawn to d3. When your opponent captures, you capture with your bishop. At this point, they will definitely not feel comfortable with your knight there, and they will try to kick it with pawn h6. Now they are stuck in your trap and cannot escape without sacrificing a rook or a queen. Do you see the brilliant move? You move knight to f7, forking the queen and rook. Your opponent will definitely capture with his king to save the queen. Now it is time for your missile strike. You check the king with your bishop and create a discovered attack on an unprotected queen. The king has to capture to not lose too much material. Then you launch the intercontinental ballistic missile like this. Here is a game where I used this gambit and won.